how to change phone number on WeChat. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change your phone number on WeChat. For that, open your WeChat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this homepage, here at the bottom you will find various icons. Click on that Me icon at the right bottom. After clicking on it, you will be taken to this page. Here you will see settings. Click on settings option and then you will enter here. Here click on this account security at the top. Within these you will find phone option. Click on the phone option here and here you can see change mobile option below mobile contacts. Click on this change mobile option and there you can enter your new number. After entering your new number, click on this next button at the top and a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Once you get the code, enter it in this box. After entering that code, click on this next button at the right. After that, you will be able to change your phone number on your WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.